Welcome. If you're looking to enable Google Login on your Pinterest app, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'll walk you through every step to connect your Google account, so you can log in with just a tap and never worry about forgetting your password again. Let's get started. First, open up the Pinterest app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't updated your app recently, it's a good idea to check for updates in your App Store to ensure you have the latest features. Once you're in the app, look for your profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your profile page. From here, find the gear icon or the three dots in the top right corner to access your settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you see the section labeled Security. Tap on Security to open up more options. Here, you'll find a menu called Login Options. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you should see several login methods listed. Look for the option that says Google. There will be a toggle switch next to it. Slide the toggle to the right to enable Google Login. The app will now prompt you to confirm this action. You may be asked to select your Google account or sign in if you haven't already. Follow the on-screen instructions and confirm any prompts that appear. This is just Pinterest making sure it's really you. Once you've confirmed, you're all set. The Google Login option is now enabled on your Pinterest account. The next time you log in, you can simply tap Continue with Google and access your boards instantly. And that's it. Quick, simple, and secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.